How to tag someone in an Instagram post after posting. So first is open your Instagram application and then click on your profile picture, which is located in the lower right corner of your screen. Then click on the photo. Tap on the three buttons located on the right corner. Now you will be given these options. Click on the fourth option, which is the edit. Notice the tag people on the lower left part of the picture. Click tag people. Then click anywhere on the photo. Now input the username of the person who you want to tag. You can tap anywhere on the photo and tag as many people as you like. And after tagging, tap on the blue check mark. Tap on the blue check mark again. You can tap the photo to see its effect. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.